A special train arrived one day and the Fat Controller welcomed the passengers. They looked at everything in the yard and photographed the engines. Duck's driver let some of them ride in his cab. "They're the Railway Society," his driver explained. "They've come to see us. Their engine's City of Truro. He was the first to go 100 miles an hour. Let's get finished, then we can go and talk to him." "He's too famous to notice me." "Rubbish," smiled his driver. "Come on." "May I talk to you?" "Of course," smiled the famous engine. "I see you are one of us. I try to teach them our ways," said Duck modestly. "All shipshape and Swindon fashion. That's right. Please, could you tell me how you beat the Southwestern?" So City of Truro told Duck all about his famous run from Plymouth to Bristol more than 50 years ago. They were soon firm friends and talked Great Western till late at night. City of Truro left early next morning. "Good riddance," grumbled Gordon, chattering all night, keeping important engines awake. "Who is he, anyway?" "He's City of Truro. He's famous." "As famous as me? Nonsense. He's famouser than you. He went 100 miles an hour before you were drawn or thought of." "So he says, but I didn't like his looks. He's got no dome," said Gordon darkly. "Never trust domeless engines, they're not respectable." "I never boast," Gordon continued modestly, "but 100 miles an hour would be easy for me. Goodbye."